It's now an annual anxiety. How to conduct classes safely without making the COVID-19 pandemic worse.
I have two kids under the age of 5, and providing them with virtual schooling is not easy. And so getting them into a school setting where they can be there continuously over the coming school year, to me, is really important.
Fahad Razik is not just a parent, he's an epidemiologist, and he's worried wastewater indicators suggest another increase in COVID-19 is coming.
Current levels across the country relative to just a year ago are 5 to 10 times higher, depending on the test you're looking at.
Razik says it's too early for Ontario's decision to remove isolation requirements for those who become infected, fearing it could lead to asymptomatic staff and students returning to schools while still contagious. A view shared by the Union for Ontario high school teachers and other school staff.
We should be celebrating right now going back to school face to face, but it's being a little bit clouded by the fear around COVID.
Offsetting some of that fear is Canada approving an updated COVID-19 vaccine to target the first highly contagious Omicron variant. And Ontario is urging anyone with new or worsening symptoms to stay home until their symptoms improve for at least 24 hours. Some provinces and territories are still recommending masks in classrooms and other crowded spaces, even if they're no longer mandatory.
If they're ill, especially with new cold or flu-like symptoms, that they need to stay home and not just go off to school and arrange for testing for COVID as appropriate.
Everyone is tired of the pandemic. No one wants to hear what medical experts say remains true, that with so many swirling variables, what happens next in the COVID-19 equation is impossible to figure out. Ross Lord, Global News.